Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a Microsoft Word document to the US Post Office for physical mailing to a recipient PO box or mailing address. This is a useful tool for if you have a document you want to send by postal mail instead of by email or whichever other way you were going to send it. Or if you want somebody you want to send a physical copy of a Word document. So what you want to do is go to the URL that'll be in the description and install the Microsoft Word add-on called Click to Mail. I'll put the link in the description, but here's the page to download it from. So once you have the Microsoft Word add-on installed, what you'll want to do is open the document that you want to send by letter and click on Send as Letter, Click to Mail. That'll be under the mailing tabs here. And then what you want to do is fill out, I can't really walk you through this part that well because I don't want to give out my personal information on YouTube, but you just fill out the recipient address to the person that this is being mailed to. Click on the big blue button here, click on the blue button at the bottom. You will have to make an account. And for the account, you will want to use a real email address because they'll send the order confirmation and the tracking number and all that to that email. And then you will have to pay them at least $10 in postal mail costs before they'll allow you to send a letter. But basically what this does is it takes a copy of the Word document and sends it to the US Post Office for you for mailing to that recipient address.